Hello guys, get ready with me, but I'm not going to take a shower. I just did brush. So backstory, I'm going to my mom's work. So mom's going to drive me there. And it is going to be quick because I'm bored. I want to be clean. I want to be clean girl. With the girl secret, if I tell it to you, promise that you keep it. Tell you now. My little secret is. So, hello guys, kakauwi ko lang. Back to Tagalog. So, bumili kami nito. So guys, may natandaan ako yung parang baby boo. So guys, let's unbox. Wala nang tatagalin. Satisfying. Maputol. For your permission. Guys, naputol pa. Buti na lang, nabuksan na rin. Sige, papakita ko sa inyo yung skin niya. So, kunti, bilang natin. So guys, 39 package. Weird ng lasa guys. Different din. So, kung gusto nyo itong bumili, click na lang sa yellow basket. Bye-bye!